Gudeg is one of Indonesia's most famous traditional dishes, especially linked with Yogyakarta. This sweet and savory meal is mainly made from young jackfruit, cooked for hours with coconut milk and spices. It's often called the culinary heart of Central Java. The main ingredient of gudeg is young, unripe jackfruit, known locally as nangka muda. When cooked slowly, the stringy fruit becomes soft and soaks up the rich flavors of the spices. This change is what gives gudeg its unique feel and taste. So, gudeg is traditionally cooked with coconut milk and palm sugar. The mix, honestly, creates a really nice balance of sweetness and creaminess. The dish also has spices like garlic, shallots, coriander, and bay leaves. One of the main things about gudeg is its sweet flavor. Unlike many other Indonesian dishes that are spicy, gudeg is quite mild. This really makes it stand out in Indonesia's varied food scene. The cooking process for gudeg is long and slow, sometimes taking up to 8 hours. Traditionally, it's simmered in a clay pot over a wood or charcoal fire. This slow cooking, yes, allows the flavors to develop deeply. So, the color of gudeg really depends on how it's cooked. Some versions are lighter, while others turn a deep brown thanks to extra palm sugar and teak leaves. The darker version is often called gudeg kering, or dry gudeg. Gudeg is usually served with rice, making it a full meal. It's often served with chicken, hard-boiled eggs, tofu, and tempeh. The balance of sweet gudeg with savory side dishes, well, it creates a real harmony of flavor. One essential extra for gudeg is Sambal Krecek. This spicy stew of cowskin crackers, it really contrasts the sweetness of gudeg perfectly. Together, they create a balance of sweet, spicy, and savory tastes. Yogyakarta is seen as where gudeg began and its main home. Almost every corner of the city offers this dish, from street stalls to fancy restaurants. It has become a symbol of what Yogyakarta is all about. The phrase Kota Gudeg, or City of Gudeg, is often used to describe Yogyakarta. This really shows just how deeply the dish is connected to the culture and daily life of its people. Tourists often look for it as part of their food adventures. Gudeg has a long history going back to the Mataram Kingdom in the 16th century. It's said that soldiers and villagers used available jackfruit to create a filling meal. Over time, the recipe changed into the dish we know today. Traditionally, gudeg was made for special events like weddings and community get-togethers. Cooking it in large clay pots became something everyone did together. Sharing gudeg showed unity and hospitality. So today, gudeg is not only a home-cooked meal, but also a successful business. Many families in Yogyakarta run gudeg restaurants or, sell it in neatly packed containers. These businesses have actually been passed down through families for generations. Gudeg can be put into two main types: gudeg basah, which is wet gudeg, and gudeg kering, or dry gudeg. Wet gudeg has more coconut milk sauce, while dry gudeg is sweeter and lasts longer. Both are loved by locals and visitors. Modern technology has allowed gudeg to be kept in cans. This new idea makes it possible to send gudeg all over the world. Indonesians living abroad can still enjoy the taste of home through tinned gudeg. In terms of nutrition, gudeg offers a good mix of carbohydrates, fiber, and protein. The jackfruit provides vitamins and dietary fiber, while the side dishes add protein. However, it can be high in sugar and fat because of the coconut milk and palm sugar. Gudeg also has a symbolic meaning in Javanese culture. Its sweetness represents harmony and gentleness, values much loved in Javanese thinking. Eating gudeg is often seen as a way of appreciating cultural identity. Famous Gudeg areas in Yogyakarta include Wijilan Street and Barak Street near Gajah Mada University. These areas are full of Gudeg stalls that have been serving customers for decades. Some shops are even open 24 hours a day. One of the most famous Gudeg brands is Gudeg Yu Djum. Started in the 1950s, it has become a symbol of Yogyakarta's food. Visitors from across Indonesia and abroad look for its true flavor. Outside Yogyakarta, Gudeg is also popular in Solo, Central Java. However, Solo's Gudeg is less sweet and a bit more savory compared to Yogyakarta's version. This shows how the same dish can be different in different regions. Beyond Java, Gudeg has gained international recognition. It has been shown at global food festivals and Indonesian cultural events abroad. Many foreign visitors really grow to love this unique dish. Some creative chefs have updated Gudeg into new forms. It has been used as a topping for pizza, a filling for pastries, or even served with pasta. These new ideas introduce Gudeg to younger people. Despite being modernized, traditional Gudeg still holds strong cultural value. Families continue to cook it the old way during special occasions. This makes sure the tradition stays alive. Gudeg has become a food ambassador for Indonesia. Alongside rendang and nasi goreng, it shows the richness of Indonesian cooking. Its deep cultural roots make it more than just food. It is heritage on a plate. In short, Gudeg is not simply a meal, but a story of history, culture, and tradition. From its humble beginnings to its global presence, Gudeg remains a much-loved dish of Yogyakarta. To taste Gudeg is to taste the heart of Javanese culture.